welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambi. So in today's video, I'm going to be making the fermented soybeans, also known as Axone. Back at home, I could just go out to the market and buy Axone, locally known as Tumbai, from these old ladies selling by the sidewalk. But I'm here in Chennai and it's so difficult to find northeastern ingredients here. So I've decided to pull up my socks and make an Axone by myself. So let's get started.
To make Axone, you will need soybean. I bought these from a local store for about 90 rupees a kilo. I'm going to soak about half a kilo for making Axone. Handpick any damaged beans or impurities and soak the beans overnight. When they bubble up like that, the soaked beans are ready. Let's give them a nice wash and pick out the floating beans. The soybean mainly is white in color, but in the northeastern parts of India, a pale white and a brown version of these beans are also grown and can be used in production of fermented soybeans. Let's drop in our beans in the pressure cooker and pour water just enough to cover the beans and let it cook. I'm making use of instant pot. There is already an option for beans. I think 30 minutes is a bit too much. I don't want my beans to disintegrate completely. So let me change it to about 20 minutes in high pressure. The beans look soft and mushy. They are ready. Let's strain the water out. I'm using a bamboo basket. It's actually a steamer lined with muslin cloth for fermentation. Traditionally, the cooked beans are packed in leaves of a plant called Phrynium. The scientific name is so hard to pronounce. Or leaves of ficus trees, banana leaves, or even fern fronds. These plant leaf surfaces have certain microbes that are beneficial to the process of fermentation. Now let's cover our baby in a piece of warm cloth. You can use jute bags if you have, and then let it sit undisturbed for a couple of days. If you are from a cold place, you need to keep it near the fireplace so that the fermentation happens. And behold for the moment of truth. Oh wow, the strong aroma just hits you on the face. The stringy texture is a sign that you have got it right. I'm so proud of myself. This looks good. Good job, Nambi. To preserve these in rural households, people pack them in leaves and let it smoke over a fireplace. I don't have a fireplace, so I'm going to sun-dry them for storing.
So I've sun-dried my Axone for about 4 days and this is how it turns out. This is how it looks when it dries out. And I'm actually really disappointed at how much it has come to because it's very less. But never mind, I'm going to use this as an inoculation for our next batch of fermented soybeans, and I'm going to show you an easier process of how to ferment or make Axone at home. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching Eat Your Kappa. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, spread the love. Also follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Till then, take care, stay safe and stay indoors.